Welcome to our Python tutorial series. In today's video, we're going to explore one of the most basic yet essential functions in Python, the print function. This is the function that lets us display output to the console. We'll be using it a lot as we go through this journey. Let's begin with our first line of code to demonstrate how the print function works. Here we have a simple print statement that displays the text "Hello World" to the console. Now, when we run this, it simply shows the text "Hello World" on the screen. Let's see the print function in more detail. The way the print function works is we have something called print, which is followed by the parentheses. Now, inside these parentheses, we add the set of double or single quotes. Now, whatever we pass in between the parentheses, Python will display it as the output on the screen. Now, everything that is in between the quotes, Python will treat as a string. You can think of a string as a sequence of characters, and what this code does is it tells the starting and ending point of string to the program. So that means you have to be very careful while typing. So let's say you miss out the ending quotes, then you can see that we are getting an error message, which says syntax error. Now, don't worry too much about this for now. Errors are totally normal, and we'll talk about different types of errors in a future video. But back to this one. Notice how the output didn't show "Hello World" like before. And if you pay close attention, even the color of the text has changed from yellow to red, which is another visual clue that something's wrong. And if we look at the error, it says unterminated string literal, which means we never close the string with the quotes. So if we just put the closing quotes at the end and again see the output, then you can see now our code works fine. While using the print function, there is no such rule to use single or double quotes. You can use both single and double quotes. But the point that always needs to be remembered is that you cannot mix both of these together. For example, if you are using a single quote as the beginning of the string, then the ending quotes also need to be the single quote. If you by mistake put the double quote as the ending quote, then you will again get the same error. And that's pretty much all you need to know about the print function for now. We'll be using it more and more as we go forward, and there's a lot more it can do. So stay tuned. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.